Hey, what's up? It's your girl Janay, and I'm here coming to you now with another video. And this video is just gonna be a tutorial, quick tutorial on how I got my hair into these faux locks. So I decided to do faux locks for my birthday, and this is just how they turned out. I feel like they turned out really good, and it took me less than 3 hours. So if you want to find out how I did that, check out this video. Thank you. Okay guys, so first off, I'm just going to be showing you the products that I'm using. So the locks that I'm using are the MAYDE Modern Soft Locs, and I believe I got a 22 inch, a 20 inch, and a 22 or 24 inch. And this is just some basic Marley hair, Afro twist braiding hair. And then I have my shining gem, my edge booster, and I also have my little brush for my little edges, and then my crochet hook. And you can use any type of Marley hair or faux locks. Is just a technique that I'm using, is what you need to be looking out for. So right now I'm just showing you how I did the front. And first I start off by plaiting my hair at the root, and I just twisted it all the way down, as you can see. And I do this for basically all my crochet looks. In the front I usually do individuals, and in the back I corn roll it and crochet it in the back. So right now I'm taking my soft lock and I'm putting it through underneath my braid, and then after that I am going to try to open up the hole a little bit more and then make a knot. And these were a little bit harder to open up the hole, but you'll get there. These are just a little bit harder to do that. So after that, my clip cut out, but basically what I'm doing is just wrapping the hair around my braid, around my real hair, around my braid. And I'm going to show you this technique twice, so don't worry if you didn't catch it the first time. So now I am going to put some of my Marley hair, and you only need like a little bit. See, this was too much, but you only need a little bit. And I cut that Marley hair in half, and I put it through like that. So now what I am going to do is wrap it around the root. As you can see, it's kind of hard to grasp at first, but then I'm just going to start wrapping it around the root, as you can see. And you want to wrap it as much as you can around the root. Now don't wrap it like too tight, and you'll like kind of feel when it's too tight. But make sure you wrap it a few times around the root of your hair. And as you can see, my hair kind of got tangled, but I can fix that. Just be aware of what you're doing. So I'm just wrapping it. I'm sorry if I'm kind of out of the angle. I should have widened my angle a little bit, but you can still see it. So I'm going to wrap it as all the way down, or as long as the hair, as I have hair. So I wrapped it like mid-length, and I'm just going to take my rubber band. You can either use a rubber band, or you can use some nail glue, or you can use your lighter. So I just use the rubber band method, and I also use my lighter to burn my hair a little bit. And I'll show you that in a clip as well. I'm sorry, I was on the phone, y'all. Or I was talking to my grandma. So I'm just going to show you it. Again, I'm just going to take my crochet hook and pull it through, and I'm gonna just let y'all see me do this. So as you can see now, like I'm showing you a better visual of me starting to wrap the crochet faux lock around my real hair. And you want to try to go the way that the lock is going, and if you go the wrong way, like, the whole lock will unravel. But you just want to mimic how it's already spiraled. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm going to take that Marley hair again. I just use a little bit less this time. And I feel like the less, like, depending on the look that you want, if you added more Marley hair, the locks are going to look bigger. And if you add less hair, it's going to look smaller, more natural. So it just depends on the look that you're going for. And as you can see, I am going to wrap it and then keep wrapping that all the way down. Very easy. And I wrap it all the way down. It doesn't have to go all the way down. It only has to go as far as you can see your real hair through the crochet hook. So you're basically wrapping this around just so you cannot see your real hair through the locks. And you're done. So I just did this for the front and I did the basic crochet for the back. So this is the finished product of my hair. This is just how it's looking all together, and overall I am really happy with it. It took me under 3 hours, and what I did, I just did individuals, as you can see in the front. See it from here, see it from there, and I'm going to show you the back. I just let me try to, I'm gonna put it in the middle part. I'm gonna show you the back. My sister braided down my hair. This is the back. Okay, so my sister braided down my hair in the back in just some basic cornrows, and I already showed you how I did the front, and that's just all it took to get this look. Let me actually show you how long it is. It's 22, yeah, it's down to my butt. It's 20, I think I have a 24-inch and a 22-inch and I think a 20-inch. So this is just how it looks. So you can put it up into a ponytail, do everything with it. So this is just my finished product on my braids. So if you want to see more tutorials, because I also did some passion twists before and some jumbo box braids, I will have them linked below. Your girl's tired and I'm up here trying to politically talk good, but I will have the rest of my tutorials linked below. But this is just a quick one, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want to do. Bye.